Notice a musty smell every time your air conditioner kicks on? That odor might be more than dust. Mold can grow inside your HVAC system, and once it does, your blower can carry those spores into every room of your home. It often starts with a little moisture, a clogged drain pan, or a damp duct in a hot attic. The tricky part is that a filter alone will not fix it. If you think mold is spreading through your vents, turn the system off and call the team at Anderson Restoration. We will find the source and help you breathe easy again.